Chineke na-eme imela, ekene dịrị gị onye ọma. Chineke na-eme imela, ekene dịrị gị. So, note key meant for soloing. After play song, you use note to solo song. You can also use chord or harmony. Harmony is very soundful. So I know some of you will be wondering how we play this instant, not making a mistake. That's the only thing you have to concentrate while playing keyboard. You have to concentrate on how the progression goes. It's not that when music is playing you follow the vocalist to sing what the person is singing to, but why I'm doing it in this form is that I don't like to sing, so I don't have to sing while teaching you this thing because it will cover the tone of this. So coming to the progression of this song, coming to the progression of this is Chineke na-eme imela, ekene dịrị gị onye ọma. Chineke na-eme imela, ekene dịrị gị imela. Chineke na-eme imela, ekene dịrị gị. So that is why you can solo.